Okay, so it's our last day today, and we'd like to get some afternoon tea here at the Club Millissime. It's views everywhere, and we're going to Zhuhai. Ikaw, kung saan mo gusto? Pwede rin dyan. Okay na ako dyan. Pwede na rin tayo dyan. So this is the old Macau. And the new Macau is in Cotai, on the Taipa Island. Oh, wow. Isang buong tower pala yung ating ano? Ha?
What do you want? Coffee, tea?
Coffee. Wow, maubos ba natin to, Berna? One whole tower. Eiffel Tower pala to. Ang daming ano niyan, ang daming sugar. Alright. So, Berna. Hindi na tayo makakain pag naubos natin ito lahat. Ang dami niyan. Yeah, it's cute.
Diba?
Yes, it's very nice. Lalo na nandito tayo sa Executive Lounge. Sarap, Berna. Oh. Balik tayo sa view, ha. Ito yung against the light. Ano pangalan, Berna, nung ano? Yung ruins? Yung St. Paul's, ano? Nandun banda yung St. Paul's, oh. Wow, punong-puno. Nandun din ang Senado. At sa kabila, pag-cross ka ng, pag-cross mo ng tubig, yun na yung Cotai. Pero ngayon, meron kaming testing ni Berna. We're going to Zhuhai. So, we're going to walk about 200 meters to take a ferry going to Zhuhai. China na yun. Oh, Mama, you want a picture? Smile.
Ano pa?
Smile ka. Okay, smile. Okay. Oh, good shot. So, we're going to enjoy drinks at the bar. Kasi we have a welcome drink and we were not able to use it. So now, before we leave for Zhuhai, China, we're going, ang daming tao. We're going to use it here. Ang dami kasing privilege if you are a Diamond member. You get to use the executive lounge and you get also welcome drinks. Oh, maganda rin tong kanyang bar. And we're going to enjoy our free drinks here. Yes, ayan, oh, daming alak, oh. Ayan, ganda ng bar. Talagang French na French ang dating nitong itong Sofitel na to. Okay, let's move on the other side. Okay, nakakuha na ng upuan si Berna. Hello. How are you? Filipina? Oo nga. Ikaw ba yung kahapon? Oh, isang araw. Binigyan yata yung ano sa'yo yung aming welcome drink. Oh, pero hindi namin nakalimutan. Anyway, meron din naman siya sa sa cellphone. Kaya ang ganda ng bar mo, ha? Yun nga lang, walang tao.
Paano to?
Ha? It's a beautiful bar. Ang maganda, walang tao. Oh, piti yung ganda ng chandelier niya. And the best part, ang ganda ng upo ni Berna by the window. Ito pala yung mga welcome drink, oh. Dahil pagkipilian. Puno na yung tiyan natin ng liquids. Oh, itong bar, Rendezvous. Anong drinks mo na malakas yung alcohol?
Yun lang po yung Sofitel Margarita po.
Wala kang Long Island.
Pinakamalakas po Negroni.
Oh, sige. Gusto ko malakas eh.
Pero hindi mo po
Hindi
kasali
siya
sa
welcome drink.
Hindi siya kasama sa welcome drink. Pinakamalakas na
Yun lang
alcohol.
po, Sofitel Margarita.
Oh, sige. Yun na lang. Okay, thank you.
Tsaka may chips ka or nuts?
Yes po.
Oh, relax na si Berna. Ito, perfect match for oysters, oh. Dito lang sa Sofitel Point 16. Ito yung presyo, mura, 268. 2 persons na. Tapos free flow, sparkling wine pa. Malalasig ka na rin ito. Ganda interiors nitong bar na to. May paintings yan, no? Nice paintings. Okay, habang hindi pa ready yung drinks, I'll just show you the lobby na medyo crowded. Ang dami talagang gusto magbakasyon. But dito, may isang painting dito. Oh. Ayan, oh. Ang ganda ng painting na yan. Oh. Yan, it's a beautiful painting of Sofitel. Ayan, oh. Merong river yata yan. Katabi ng Grand Lisboa. Yan ang gagawin namin. First time namin from Sofitel, we're going to walk to the pier. Ayan ang pier. Saan ba yung pier? Ayan ang pier. Maglalakad kami sa pier. Going to Zhuhai. So, it will only take us 15 minutes. Zhuhai na kami. Yes, this is a nice 5-star hotel by Accor. Okay, so back to our drinks. Ayan na. Ready na tayo mag-toast, Mama Berna. Mama Berna, toast again to the good life. Oh, sarap nito. Sarap nito libre. Oh, Berna, toast to the good life. Oh, meron pang nakalagay na decoration. Oh. Alright, cheers. Oh, hindi nagtamaan yung baso. Yes. Alright. Cheers to the good life.